Project scope management is like drawing a map for your project. It's about defining what your project will achieve and what it won't. This involves identifying and documenting the project's goals, deliverables, tasks, and deadlines. Effective scope management ensures everyone understands the project's boundaries. This clarity is crucial for preventing misunderstandings, managing stakeholder expectations, and ultimately achieving project success. Imagine building a house without a clear blueprint. You might end up with extra rooms you didn't need, or worse, missing essential features. That's why project scope management is non-negotiable. It provides the framework for a successful project from start to finish. In project management, we often talk about two types of scope: product scope and project scope. Understanding the difference between the two is vital. Product scope refers to the features and functions of the product, service, or result that the project is creating. For example, if you're developing a mobile app, the product scope would include things like its features, design, and functionality. Project scope, on the other hand, defines the work that needs to be done to deliver the product or service. This includes all the tasks, activities, and resources required to complete the project. Think of it this way: product scope is the what are you building? Project scope is the how will you build it? Measuring project scope can be challenging, but it's essential for effective project management. A well-defined scope helps you track progress, estimate costs, and allocate resources effectively. One way to measure project scope is to break down the project into smaller, more manageable chunks called work packages. These work packages represent the smallest units of work that can be estimated and scheduled. By estimating the effort required for each work package, you can get a clearer picture of the overall project scope. This information is then used to create a project schedule and budget. Another crucial aspect of measuring project scope is establishing clear acceptance criteria for each deliverable. This ensures that everyone understands what constitutes done and helps prevent scope creep. Project scope management involves 5 key processes: scope planning, scope definition, create WBS, scope verification, and scope control. Scope planning sets the stage for successful scope management. It involves establishing the project's goals and objectives, identifying stakeholders, and defining how scope will be managed throughout the project. Scope definition delves deeper into the project requirements. It involves developing a detailed description of the project scope, including deliverables, acceptance criteria, and exclusions. Create WBS, or work breakdown structure, breaks down the project into smaller, more manageable work packages. This hierarchical structure provides a clear visual representation of the entire project scope. Scope verification ensures that the deliverables meet the agreed-upon requirements. This process involves regular reviews and inspections to ensure that the project stays on track. Finally, scope control manages changes to the project scope. This includes evaluating the impact of change requests and ensuring that any approved changes are implemented effectively.